Bubblebear.
Guys, I think Animi brought the bubbles to life.
Bubble monster!
It's massive! Wow! Bubblebear makes some really big bubble fin to play with.
Ah, a giant bubble? Not in my...
Huh? Mom, watch out!
Whoa, what's happening?
This is getting out of control fast! Huh? Oh no! Ah! This is a bubbly catastrophe. How are we going to get down? I think we need to worry about what he's going to do next. Guys, we've got to get out of here. Quick, Morphle! Morph into something with big teeth and pop this bubble.
Okay, Mila.
Oh no. I know how we can all escape. Morphle, morph into a flying robot. Now pop this bubble. Great work, Morphle. Time to stop that bubble monster. Yahoo! Be gentle, Morphle. Bye!
Bye-bye, tiny bubble monster.
Yeah! Hang on, everybody! We're gonna burst your bubbles!
Get ready to make bubble thrusts to land on, Bubblebear.
Let's go!
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
You're welcome. Now let's get the magic pet center down. Hold on, Daddy! Yes!
Phew!
Quick, Morphle! Woo! We did it!
What a bouncy, bubbly day!
Oh no! Some of the magic pet letters have escaped, and I only have A, N, Q, W, V, and Y.
Don't worry, Daddy. We'll find them. Is that one of the letters?
It's the D for Daddy. Any letters you catch with this magic hoop will end up back here.
Oh! H for hoop. Yay! Morphle, morph into a race car so we can find the letters super fast. Let's make today magical. R for race car. B for bus. C for car. F for fire truck. P. Well spotted, Morphle. P for police car. Look, there's J for jail, and it's escaping. I wonder if there are magic pet letters here. K for kite. Huh? Ice cream. Oh, I for ice cream. Good job, Morphle. O for Orphle. L for lion. G for giraffe. Z for zebra. E for elephant. Yay! Morphle, morph into a helicopter so we can look on the beach.
Morphle, morph, morph!
S. Well done, Morphle. S for sand. There you are. U for umbrella. Look, letters in the tree. Morphle, morph long arms to reach them. Great. T for tree. Now hoop the M for monkey. Awesome, Morphle. X marks the spot. I think we have all the letters now. Let's go back to the pet center.
Thanks for finding all the magic pet letters, Mila and Morphle.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Amazing work, Chroma. Are you feeling okay?
Oh, my lovely cafe!
Don't worry, Chroma. I know what will make you feel better. Here, Chroma. Magic pet tea. It'll make you feel better in no time.
Mila, what have you given him?
Oh no, that's regular sweet tea, not magic pet tea.
Sugar rush!
Morphle, he's racing off. Morphle, we need to get Chroma's magic pet tea as quickly as possible to the Magic Pet Center.
What? Not in my city.
I'll be right back. Here, I got Chroma's magic pet tea.
But why Chroma?
I know! Morphle, morph it to a satellite so we can scan the whole city.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Woohoo!
Beep, beep, beep! Chroma and Bob!
Let's get him! Ah! Look at us! Chroma, we've got your magic pet tea! We're gonna need a lot of arms to hold him still. Quick! Catch him, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! Chroma's cured! Wow!
My car is beautiful again.
That looks better.
Not again! Every day is a colorful day with a magic pet.
Mr. Mirror, can you show us what is happening in the mirror world?
I most certainly can, Mila.
Morphle love Mirror World! Orpha!
No, Morphle. Put him back inside me. That's awful. In the mirror world, everything is opposite of what it's like in our world. And since Morphle is very friendly, I'm afraid that Awful will want to do nothing but bad things.
Good thinking. We can't have Orphle running around the city creating a mess. Come, Morphle. Let's play with Chroma for a while.
Hello, Morphle. How are you today?
Oh, police officer, nice.
Oh, whoa! What are you doing?
Orphle!
Morphle, you can't just leave me here.
Sounds like someone's looking for you, Morphle.
There you are, Morphle. Now get me back down from here. Thanks, but I don't appreciate these kind of shenanigans.
Sure, no.
It was you who put me on the roof in the first place.
But Morphle was with us inside the whole time.
No, he put me on the roof and he was laughing about it. Like this.
Oh no! That sounds like Orphle! We need to find him.
What are you doing, Morphle? Are you building something? What?
Hey, what's the deal here?
This isn't fun, Morphle. But if that's Morphle, who's that? Who's winning?
And who's the real Morphle?
We need to make sure Orphle can't pretend to be Morphle anymore. Chroma, paint Orphle green.
Orphle green?
I hope we've seen the last of Orphle.
Mila, Morphle, caregiver Kamal called. He says he needs your help at the zoo.
Okay, Daddy. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Mila, Morphle, great! I need your help. Could you and Morphle help bring this penguin, camel, and monkey to their new homes in the wild?
Sure.
Great!
We can all fly in Morphle the Flying House. The desert is hot and dry. It's the perfect home for a camel. Morphle, look! It's a dragon! I think he wants to come with us. I think we can find a new home for him. Right, Morphle? Yay! Uh-oh. The South Pole is the perfect home for a penguin, but it's way too cold for a dragon. Okay, let's go to another place. The rainforest is the perfect home for a monkey. Uh-oh, but I think the rainforest might be too wet for dragons. It's not easy finding the perfect home for a dragon, but we're not giving up. Look, Morphle! It's a volcano! This is a perfect place for a dragon to live. Okay, Dragon. You seem very happy in your new home. Now it's time for Morphle and me to go back home. Dragon! Oh, now I get it. You're a magic pet. It doesn't matter where magic pets are in the world. They won't feel at home without their human companion. But I already have a magic pet, Morphle. But I know where we can find you a great human companion.
What?
At the Magic Pet Center, we'll find you a magic match in no time.
Everyone, give it up for Bubblebear! Thank you, Bubblebear. Up next, with our special music power, Melodino!
I want a magic pet. Oh, this will do nicely. Stop making so much noise.
Huh?
Why did I just sing that? Oh no!
Huh? What are you up to, Winston?
Nothing at all. I've got to get out of here.
Winston took Melodino. We need to get her back.
Not too fast. Get away from me.
Give Melodino back to us now.
Huh? You're singing. Wait a minute, I'm also singing.
Morphle singing too.
Stop, Winston, stop. Winston, stop. Never, never.
Not in my city. I didn't know I had such a lovely singing voice. La 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 la.
The bridge is going up. That doesn't bother me. Watch this.
Morphle, we gotta get up there.
Morphle get mighty Winston.
You'll never catch me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Get ahead of them. Get ahead of them.
Let's go.
I'm not enjoying this. I'm not enjoying this.
Go, go, Morphle, go.
Watch out!
Here they come.
Morphle, morph into a trampoline and catch them. You're safe now, Melodino.
I feel sick.
We've seen some excellent talent on show here today.
But the most amazing display of talent was what you three did. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Robofreeze version 3.0. Very pleased to meet you all.
Hello.
Very pleased to meet you too, Robofreeze version 3.0.
Hi, everyone. This is C-Rex.
We're taking him to the beach to meet Troy, his magic match.
According to my pet primer, C-Rex's magic power is controlling water.
Wow!
It's okay. He's still a baby, so can't fully control his powers yet.
Well, keep that water away from Robofreeze. It could make him go haywire. Affirmative. You're under arrest for splashing me. Oh no, he's malfunctioned again.
We have to get C-Rex back. Yeah, he's Troy's magic match. Morphle, help!
Morphle.
Stop! Don't worry, C-Rex. We're here!
Out of my way, citizens.
How are we going to stop them? C-Rex, try using the water from the fountain.
I can't see. This pet is going to jail.
Keep chasing! Yee-haw! We need to get C-Rex to Troy.
He's too fast!
What are we going to do? A giant wave! Morphle, morph into a kiteboard.
Yee-choo-doo! Morphle, not this side!
Riding waves is not permitted.
Whoa! Whoa! C-Rex, stay focused. You can do this. Good job! Grab it! Mila, look! There's Troy! Troy, this is C-Rex, your magic match. Hi, C-Rex. Wow! Amazing!
That pet is still under arrest.
Morphle! C-Rex!
Too much water.
C-Rex, thanks for being so handy. Great work, C-Rex.
Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too! Morphle too! Aww.
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh!
What is... Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle!
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally.
Morphle catch! Oops. Huh? Hello. Would you like to play with us? Hi, I'm Jordie, and this is Mila. And this is Morphle, my magic pet. Hello.
I'm Miguel. Did you say magic pet?
Yes. Show him, Morphle.
Wow!
That was amazing! Morphle's my magic match, which means he's my bestest best friend.
Oh, I wish I had a magic match.
You might have one. Let's check. Let's see what the magic matchmaker says.
Oh, you've got a magic match, Miguel! With Bubblebear!
Bubblebear?
Let's go find him! Ooh, I'm so excited for you! Look! Bubbles!
Bubblebear! I hope it's him.
Miguel, meet your magic match. You're not Bubblebear. There he is.
Bubblebear!
Miguel!
Help! Get me out of here!
We gotta do something.
Morphle rescue!
Let's go! Whoa!
Help! I'm getting dizzy. Oh, thanks for rescuing us, you three.
We have to get Miguel! But there are too many bubbles! This is a job for a pterodactyl! Good job, Morphle!
Hi, Bubblebear. I think I'm your magic match.
Yay! Bubblebear, meet Miguel.
Hello.
Congratulations, you two.
Thank you for being my friends and finding my magic match.
Yeah! Morphle, this is Grav.
Hello, Grav.
As you can see, Grav can make things float.
Wow, floaty.
Don't worry, Grav. This is the Magic Pet Book. It shows where magic pets come from.
Did you hear that? She said that book's where magic pets come from. Let's steal it. Hello. We'd like to buy some magic pet treats.
But you don't have any magic pets.
We, feed them to our dog.
You don't have a dog either.
We just want some, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Huh? That was strange. Winston and the bandits took it. Grav, you stay here. Morphle and I will get it back. We have to find that book. Look for its magical glow. It's too bright to see the lights from the book. I know how we could find it. We'll need Catmo's help to change the weather. Catmo, this is an emergency. Can you make the biggest and darkest clouds you've ever made?
Thanks, Catmo.
Oh, don't be afraid, Grav. We need it to be dark so we can see the light coming out of the Magic Pet Book. There, I see the lights from the book. Let's get there fast. Let's go!
How does it work?
Give back the book.
No, it's where magic pets come from.
Why don't you just have this magic pet?
Be careful with him.
Why? What's he going to do?
Huh? This. Get Get that book!
Get that pet!
Morphle, morph into a lasso! We've got you, Grab!
I've got it! No!
Great work, you two! We've got the book back! We should probably help them down.
We don't want your help.
We don't? I mean, we don't.
Suit yourselves!
Bounce higher! Whee!
Hi, Mila, Morphle, Boba. Check out my latest invention. Wow! It looks amazing.
What'd it do?
It can make anything bigger. Can it make Boba's bubbles bigger? Only one way to find out. Whoops! Oh no! The Magic Pet Center!
Morphle, morph into a helicopter to get us out of this bubble.
Now, fly over to the Magic Pet Center and pop that bubble. After the bubble pops, morph into a parachute so the building gets to the ground safely. I sure hope he heard you.
Morphle pop bubble! Morphle parachute! Danger all done!
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain giant. Any bubbles you make can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Whoa!
Oh no! Everything's in bubbles. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Morphle morph!
Now, hold still. There he is! We're here to help you, Boba. Now we have to take care of the other bubble buildings. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Look, Morphle! Everything's lost its color.
Wow!
Morphle, morph into a magic paintbrush. Morphle, grass isn't blue, it's green.
Oh!
Great, Morphle.
you're doing? My light was green.
My light was green. White.
Uh-huh. So you're the one who has been stealing all the color from the city. You shouldn't do that. A world without color isn't fun at all.
Oh, Tiger funny!
Yeah, that is funny. Let's paint some more animals in funny colors.
Yay!
Oh, there you are, Chroma. I was looking for you. There are lots of problems in the city because you took away all the colors.
Morphle can help Chroma paint everything back to its original colors again.
Well, it seems you were right. Please, go ahead.
Wow, you solved all the problems in the city already. Morphle and Chroma make a great team together.
Yay!
Hello, Mila and Morphle.
Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Present for Auntie.
We made it from our recycled plastic bottles.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Come on, let's get you some cake.
Morphle loves cake.
Oh, my necklace! It's gone!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll find it.
Ooh.
This is a case for Detective Mila. Aha! Our first clue! Ooh, a candy wrapper!
A fine necklace!
I know. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog. Follow the smell of candy. Good job, Morphle. You found more candy.
Huh?
What's wrong, Morphle?
Candy all gone.
There must be other clues around. Aha! Our second clue. Now we know who took Aunt Augustine's necklace.
Bunny Rabbit?
No, silly. The bandits.
This must be worth loads of money.
Give that back.
Hunting necklace.
Let's get out of here. Eat my dust.
Hey! Come back here. Morph into a hang glider. Huh? There they are.
Bandits too fast.
Morphle, land over there. Morphle, morph into a spider.
Morphle, morph.
Get ready to make a big web between the buildings. Now, Morphle. Yay! We did it!
Great work, Detective Mila and Morphle. You caught the necklace thieves.
My necklace!
I'll take that.
Thank you.
If you hadn't flown into that giant web, we could have sold that necklace for loads of money.
Winston, Morphle and I made that necklace out of recycled plastic.
Oh, you said it was made of diamonds.
Oh, this may be made of plastic, but it's the most precious thing I own because you two made it. Thank you. Mwah.
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat.
I can't wait to go ice skating. Wow! Thanks, Catmo!
Morphle lovers! Oopsie!
Cool!
Huh? This looks like an ice rink for babies. With that magic pet, I could make the biggest ice rink in the world. Wanna try my slushie? Now, make me a huge ice rink. Oi! Careful, you'll get a brain freeze. Told ya. Whoa! Oh, yes! This is amazing! Haha, my ice rink is better than yours.
Poor Catmo. We have to warm her up before she turns Petport into Iceport. Let's go.
Stop right there. Do as I say. I'm Officer Freeze.
Woo! This is amazing! Huh? No! Ah! Not cool!
Oh, no. Thanks. Catmo, come get nice and warm in this. Morphle, morph into something speedy. Morphle! Let's get her! There she is! Get out! Awesome! Loop the loop, Morphle! Mila, ready? Ready. Got you! It's okay, Catmo. Can you help us turn things back to normal, please? Now, let's get you warm.
What? Stop it! I'm not a juice pop!
Yummy! Every day's a magical day with the magic pet. Thank you, Bubblebear. Guys, I think Animi brought the bubbles to life.
Bubble monster!
It's massive!
Wow! Bubblebear makes a really big bubble fin to play with.
Huh? A giant bubble? Not in my...
Huh? Mom, watch out! Whoa, what's happening?
This is getting out of control fast! Huh? Oh no! Ah! This is a bubbly catastrophe. How are we going to get down? I think we need to worry about what he's going to do next. Guys, we've got to get out of here. Quick, Morphle! Morph into something with big teeth and pop this bubble.
Okay, Mila. It's Jupiter.
Oh no. I know how we can all escape. Morphle, morph into a flying robot.
Hey, Jupiter.
Now pop this bubble.
Great work, Morphle.
Time to stop that bubble monster.
Yahoo!
Be gentle, Morphle. Bye.
Bye-bye, Tiny Bubble Monster.
Yeah! Hang on, everybody. We're gonna burst your bubbles.
Get ready to make bubble thrusts to land on, Bubblebear.
Let's go!
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
You're welcome. Now let's get the magic pet center down. Hold on, Daddy. Yes!
Phew.
Quick, Morphle! We did it!
What a bouncy, bubbly day.